Hey, hi, how are you guys? So, today I'm going to talk about everyone's favorite topic, how to lose weight quickly. I would want to tell you that I do not recommend quick weight losses, but what happens is why I want to specially talk about how you can lose a particular amount on the scale, particular number on the scale, if you have certain kind of requirement. Maybe you've not eaten mindfully for the past 15 days, or during the lockdown you must have eaten all the junk food, unnecessary food items. I'm sure most of us have not eaten outside food because we were preparing foods at home, but still junk oily food was preferred by most of us. Okay, so if you've really not eaten mindfully and you are looking at losing 1 to 2 kilos before Diwali, it's very near by now, say a week. I'm going to give you 3 tips. Just follow this for few days and I'm sure you are going to see a lot of difference in yourself. The number one thing that you need to include daily is that your meals should comprise of rice. Number one, that's the number one tip. Rice, you gotta consume one bowl of green salad and one bowl of curd. These three items are very important in your meal. You need to eradicate, probably kind of ignore the roti for few days. I know it's very contradictory. People say that you put on with rice, but no, if that would have been the case, all the South Indians in this entire world would have been the heaviest by now, but that's not the case. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the chronology in which you gotta eat your meals. You start your meal with a glass of buttermilk, follow it up with a bowl of salad, and then you can have dal rice. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee to your rice, and probably if you want to have a little more salad, you can have along with your dal rice. You can have biryani. It's not only that you gotta have dal rice, but there's biryani, then there is khichdi, there are some other preparations with rice. You can have poha, then there's fried rice, home cooked, of course, right? So this should be your meals, and try and control your portion. That's the number one tip. The second thing is that go a little low on your breakfast, because what happens is like we are so occupied early in the morning that our breakfast is not after we wake up. The breakfast happens too much later, probably the mid-morning time of the day. That's not the time when you have your breakfast. If you are really habituated to having heavy breakfast, then you may choose something which is high in protein. Give that power pack protein thing to your body. If you are a non-vegetarian, you can choose some eggs for your breakfast. If you are a vegetarian, you can choose moong dal chilla, or you can choose whole moong for your breakfast, but go protein for your breakfast for a few days. If you are not a breakfast person, and if you are okay having a smaller breakfast portion, then you gotta have one whole fruit along with 4 to 5 almonds and 2 walnuts. Okay, so this is the second tip. The first was about your two main meals, that is lunch and dinner. The second one was what to have for breakfast. And the third tip that I want to give you is include at least 3 liters of water throughout the day. Okay, because what happens is that we are either occupied with work, or we do not like drinking plain water. If you face this kind of difficulty, you can add little bit of lime, a pinch of pink salt or jeera seeds or chia seeds to your water, and then have it throughout the day. At least 3 liters of water throughout the day will keep you full and will help you keep away all the unnecessary things that we put in our mouth. Okay, it's not only what you eat, and it's not about only taking care of your eating patterns, but also how active you are throughout the day. So try and indulge in 15 to 20 minutes of any exercise that you like. The moment I say exercise, people don't like it, but I'm not going to force you. I'm going to tell you that whatever you like. If you like dancing, please do that. If you like walking, please do that. Whatever is your preferred mode of being active. Okay, so that's very important, because food and exercise both go hand in hand. One without the other is like fish without water. Okay, so these were the 3 tips: lunch and your dinner, have rice for your main meals, but do not have rice directly. Start your meal with a glass of buttermilk, follow it up with salad, then dal rice or whatever your preferred preparation is using rice based ingredients. Then again, I'm just repeating for the ones who join now. The second one is taking care of your breakfast. If you missed it, you can go back to the video again and watch it here. And the third one is water. Take care, guys. Hope you all have a safe Diwali and be very mindful of what you eat and where you go. Be safe, wear your mask everywhere. Thank you, guys.